In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a shift on Get Shifts. Firstly, head over to the sidebar and click on the Shifts menu. You'll be presented with a calendar showcasing all the shifts that are available on the system. To book a shift, click on the date that you want to book a shift for. You'll be presented with a pop-up where you can enter all the shift details. Start by selecting the work location. The client will be pre-selected based on the work location that you selected. Then you select the job role. After this, select the shift pattern. The shift pattern allows you to save time by eliminating the need to enter the start time, end time, and break manually every time when you add a shift. You can also add other shift patterns by clicking on the Add button. Otherwise, you can always enter the shift time manually, entering the start time, end time, and break, without using the shift pattern. The shift patterns are there for your convenience. You can then add a reference or purchase order here. Sometimes your clients provide you with a reference or purchase order for every shift that they book with you, so you can enter that there. This information is presented on the timesheet as well as invoices that you send to the client pertaining to this shift. Next, you can add further specifications of the shift if required, including staff type, skills, and language, as required by the client. You can also add a shift rate here. This overrides any rate that's on the system. For example, you can offer your employees a particular rate for that shift. For example, to entice them to pick up that shift, you can enter a higher rate. After this, you can check if all details are correct. By the way, you can also add notes about the shift if there is anything in particular to this shift that you want your employees to know. This information is shown on the shift details on the employee mobile app. If everything looks okay, click on the Create Shift button and the shift will be created. You will be redirected to this page where you can book an employee onto the shift or broadcast to relevant employees. In the next video, I'll show you how to book an employee onto a shift.